Y'all, we know how important it is to have a living room that feels warm, inviting, and lived in. But sometimes, lived in can turn into cluttered before you know it. Those stacks of magazines, the kids' toys, the throw blankets, they all add up. But here's the thing. You don't have to sacrifice your style or get rid of the things you love to have a clutter-free living room. The secret? Hidden storage. It's amazing what a little creativity and some clever storage solutions can do. We're talking about furniture pieces with a secret life, hidden nooks you never knew existed, and stylish ways to tuck things away without cramping your style. So, if your living room is feeling more cramped than cozy, don't worry. Today we're sharing our favorite hidden storage hacks that'll have your living room looking like it stepped straight out of a magazine. Let's get started. First up, storage ottomans. Now these aren't just for resting your feet after a long day. They're like the Swiss Army knives of furniture. Think of them as stylish storage containers disguised as comfy seating. Inside that beautiful, upholstered exterior lies a hidden compartment just waiting to be filled. Blankets, remotes, toys, you name it, an ottoman can hide it. And the best part? Nobody will ever suspect a thing. But wait, there's more. Storage ottomans can also pull double duty as extra seating when you've got folks over, or even a coffee table with a little styling magic. Talk about functional and fabulous. So if you're looking for a simple way to add storage and style to your living room, look no further than a storage ottoman. It's a design secret we use all the time. Let's talk about another living room staple, the sofa. We all love sinking into a comfy couch after a long day. But did you know that your sofa can be a storage superhero in disguise? Many sectionals and even some standard sofas come with built-in hidden compartments. You'll often find these secret storage gems under the chaise or even beneath the cushions. Just lift and behold. These hidden compartments are perfect for storing all sorts of things. Think bulky blankets and pillows, seasonal decor you only bring out once a year, or even board games for family game night. Out of sight, but always within reach. So when you're shopping for a new sofa, be sure to ask about hidden storage features. You'll thank yourself later when you have a secret stash for all those living room essentials. Chapter 3. Behind the Mirror Magic. Now let's talk about mirrors. Every living room needs a statement mirror, right? They reflect light, make the room feel larger, and add a touch of elegance. But mirrors can also serve a secret double duty. Hidden mirror cabinets are a brilliant invention, y'all. Imagine this, a beautiful mirror on your wall that opens to reveal a secret storage compartment. It's like something out of a spy movie. These hidden cabinets are perfect for stashing small essentials that tend to clutter up surfaces. Think keys, chargers, remotes, even a mini first aid kit. Everything stays organized and easily accessible, but completely hidden from view. So if you're looking for a stylish and sneaky way to add storage to your living room, consider a hidden mirror cabinet. It's a design trick that never fails to impress. Chapter 4. Under the sofa slide-outs. Now, let's not forget about the often overlooked space under our sofas. It might seem like a design dead zone, but trust me, it's prime real estate for hidden storage. Instead of letting dust bunnies gather under your couch, why not put that space to work? Rolling storage bins or shallow drawers on wheels can easily slide under your sofa, providing valuable storage that's out of sight but always within reach. Think of it as a secret storage drawer for your living room. Use it to store tech gear like extra headphones or charging cables, books and magazines, or even kids' toys. Nobody will ever know it's there. This is a fantastic solution for small living rooms because it adds storage without adding bulk or visual clutter. It's all about maximizing every inch of space, y'all. Chapter 5. Wall niche and floating shelf secrets. Let's talk about walls for a minute. Now, they're great for hanging artwork and family photos, but did you know they can also be secret storage superheroes? Floating shelves are a popular choice for adding storage and style to living rooms, but take it a step further with shelves that have lift-up lids. They look like regular shelves, but lift the lid and boom, hidden storage. Another clever trick is to create recessed niches in your walls. These can be custom-built or created using prefabricated shelving units. Add some trim work and paint, and they look like they were always meant to be there. Use these hidden wall compartments to display decorative items while discreetly tucking away clutter. They're perfect for storing remotes, coasters, or even a collection of vintage books. And there you have it, folks. 5 hidden storage hacks to transform your living room from cluttered to curated. Remember, your living room should be a reflection of you, a place where you can relax and recharge without tripping over clutter. With a little creativity and these clever storage solutions, you can make the most of every inch of your living room, ditch the mess, and create a space that's both functional and beautiful. Remember, it's all about finding those little ways to infuse your personality and style into your home, one hidden storage hack at a time. Now go on, get organized and create that living room of your dreams.